Hello everyone, this is Ishika from Sundeshwar and currently I am a second year MBBS student. So hi, hello, welcome to Vigen and this is a medical workshop where you can learn important skills to help in emergencies. You will get hand-on practice and expert guidance to help you become more confident and prepared. So without any delay, let's begin this video. I hope you all will enjoy this video. Hey, hi! So it's all started with our preparations for Vigen, our college's biggest and the most awaited event. So as volunteers, we took our responsibilities very seriously and we wanted to make sure that everything was perfect for day one. So we met at main auditorium the night before to set up things up. We created dummy bodies, arranged the displays and made sure everything was in place. It was actually a team effort. What was really great to see how everyone worked together as a team. My seniors, my batchmates, my juniors, everyone was united in our goal to make Vigen. We were all excited to see the event come together and to show our college what we are capable of. So after we finished setting up, we took some fun photos with the dummy bodies. And yes, of course, I also made some videos. We were all having a great time and making memories. Then after this all, we went out for dinner and had a meeting. We talked about the last minute details for the Vigen and it was a great way to relax and get ready for the big event. So are you ready? Finally, the day we had all been waiting for arrived, the first day of Vigen. As I looked around, I could see the fruits of our labor. The registration table was set up and ready to go, with all the necessary materials and volunteers in place. Nearby, a demonstration area was set up for airway management, where attendees could learn about the latest technique and technologies. Another area was dedicated to defibrillator demonstrations, where experts were on hand to show how these life-saving devices. The first thing of the day was a lecture on BLS. The teachers taught us about the importance of CPR and showed us how to do it correctly.
So depth is in adults, which is 5 to 6 centimeter by this maneuver.
Then the teacher demonstrated CPR techniques on a dummy body. This hands-on demonstration helped us understand the proper technique and how to apply it in a real-life situation.
So 108 के बाद 101, 102 start हो. Actually क्या करना है? 1001, 1002. Okay. I wanted to test. Okay. हाँ ठीक है.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006. Shoulder should not be. और थोड़ा लेट. So should I start here? They have become critics now.
Start.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This side.
I have to go to that. Okay.
You continue. Should I move my hand like that?
Now it was the delegates' turn to practice CPR. And then they start practicing the technique on dummy bodies. And the teachers were there for their guidance.
You can start if the start is there. You can just probably say it.
Sir, in case of severe burns, if the patient has severe burns,
इसको start करके कोई problem नहीं. Otherwise, below the axilla. Below axilla or below the midline. So this is the effects of the burn. All of you are medical. Just apply connector next to flashing line. Plugging the connector. Now this is connected.
So after all the learnings and practicing, it was a time for a break. And a delicious lunch was arranged for all the professors, residents and the teachers. एंड हाँ, ऑफ कोर्स ये हमारा टाइम था प्रैक्टिस करने का, क्योंकि लंच करने सब चले गए थे, कोई था नहीं, तो फिर हम लोग अपने ही प्रैक्टिस करना स्टार्ट कर दिया. एंड देन फिर हम सब लंच करने गए.
उसको मत बोलना घूमने नहीं तो हम मर जाएंगे.
नहीं, बट हाँ, उसको भी प्रेम में आना था. तो फिर हमने एक सेफ जगह देखी और फिर कैमरा को सेल्फी मोड पे किया और उसे भी फ्रेम में ले लिया. और फिर लंच खत्म होने के बाद हमारा स्टार्ट होता है सेकंड सेशन. और सेकंड सेशन में बिल्कुल सेम फर्स्ट सेशन की तरह ही था. पहले लेक्चर, फिर डेमो, फिर प्रैक्टिस, और इस तरह से ही 3 दिन बीएलएस का सेशन चला था. CBR तो कर लिया था हमने, अब बारी थी एयरवे मैनेजमेंट सीखने की. तो यहाँ वॉलंटियर्स थे, कुछ तो फायदा मिला था सीखने का. उसके बाद एट लास्ट जितने भी डेलीगेट्स थे उनको सर्टिफिकेट दिया गया, और उसके बाद जो प्रोफेसर्स वहाँ पे आए थे, जो रेजिडेंट्स थे, उनको भी सर्टिफिकेट्स दिए गए. So the another important skill that was covered was knot tying. And the next session was on stitching. The delegates got hands-on practice in suturing and wound closure, guided by experienced instructors.
In children, you go for the size.
क्या सिखा रहे हैं? बहुत तरह तरह के नॉट्स होते हैं, स्क्वायर टाइप एंड वगैरह वगैरह. सो वी ऑल डिड दिस. और फिर आया था BLS का लास्ट डे, तो फिर हमने ये ग्रुप वीडियो शूट किया था.
सौमिली विश्वास, इशिका चौरसिया, नेहा परवीन, प्रिया सोमदत्ता नायक, उर्मी चक्रवर्ती, आफीफा.
और फिर वाइजन का लास्ट डे, जिस दिन सारे वॉलंटियर्स को और जितने भी कोऑर्डिनेटर्स थे सबको सर्टिफिकेट दिया गया था. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe.